Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Rochester Red Wings. First pitch coming at you right after the break. All right, just about set to go. Today's starting pitcher, Tim Cate. What should we keep an eye on here?
Well, he tried to make it through the fifth inning last time out, but the pitch count just got too high. He ended up taking the loss. That's one of those you just have to shake it off, come back out today, and try to throw a gem.
The throw to first, and that is that. End of a half inning of play. So it's now the third baseman, Brady House.
The third baseman, Brady House.
0-2 now. Tapped softly on the ground. Brown tags the runner. Not in time at first. It's a fielder's choice.
Batting seventh, the catcher.
And now Israel Pineda. 1-2 here. Right side, hard hit. Over to Dahlbeck. And that will end the inning. One hit in the inning. Man at first. So here's Brown at the plate. He's 0 for 1. And the first offering is not close. Cedeno gets his lead at first. Nobody out. Now 1-1.
All right, come on now. One time. Let it fly.
Swing and a miss as he was out front.
Man, he really sells the changeup with that arm action.
At the belt and fires. Got him swinging.
Got away with that curveball, no doubt about it. It passed right through the...
One down, runner at first. And next is the designated hitter, number 19. 1 for 1 with a single so far. And the 0-2. On the ground to the left. Dives and he can't hang on. He doesn't have a play, a tough play, and now there are runners at first and second. And now it's Andrew McCutchen, grounded out his first time.
McCutchen.
And he hits a ground ball right side. Over to Dahlbeck, and that'll keep more runs from coming in. Inning over. 2 men left stranded, but they do push across. 2 on, 1 out. And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Catfish Brown. First pitch doesn't find the zone.
At the dish, looking to lift the ball in the air in this spot. Anything but the inning double play, Boog.
Swings and misses. One ball, one strike. Lockridge, the lead runner out at second. Cedeno over at first with 1 away. Ground ball to the right side. Diving, and he can't make the play. Run comes in from second. It's 4-1. Throw comes in and holds the runner at third. They're at the corners now with still only 1 away.
Well, here we are, third time through the order, and this is where we see the OPS jump up. Manager might have to go to the bullpen a little bit sooner than he anticipated.
Runners at the corners here, 1 away. Here's Bobby Dahlbeck, 1 for 2. First and third, 1 down. Snap throw to first, and he's back in safely. Lefty out of the stretch, runners at first and third. On the ground. Run scores, but a terrific play to get the out.
Now batting, catcher, Austin Wells.
And here's the catcher, Austin Wells.
RBI knock for him last time. Now a chance to drive in another run.
And he dodges that fastball.
Here we go now. Come on now. One time.
2-2 on the way. That one to first. And that's the third out. 3 run. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. Now it's the second baseman, Adrian Fernandez. Marquez back to work. And he grounds one to the right side. Brown slings to first. One away, bottom of the 6th.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air.
Man at first with one gone. Here's the second baseman, Catfish Brown. 1 for 3.
Get your pitch up there. Let's go, kid.
In there, and it's 0-1.
Hey, stick your plan up there, kid. Get your pitch and drive it.
Swing and a miss as he chases that one darting out of the zone. Battling here as he fouls it away. The pitch. And that one in the air center field. Green pulls it in on the run.
Now batting, the first baseman, Bobby.
And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Catfish Brown.
Catfish.
And he swings and misses, and it's 0-1.
This guy's usually not one to chase pitches off the plate, but he did there. We'll see if he can tighten up his zone a little bit.
Hey, no one better. Need you right here.
The 0-2. Squirts away a little bit. Pineda down to first with it. That completes the strikeout, and that'll do it. So they're able to work around a pair of. Close one here today, and your final 5-4. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show, I'm John Shambi. And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. AAA Baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Rochester Red Wings. All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this. So just about set now. And on the hill today, Thaddeus Ward. What do you got on him, Chris?
He finally picked up his first win of the season. Took him a few starts to get there, but now that you got that behind you, you can focus on moving things ahead. Looking for number 2 in this one.
And that is that. End of a half inning of play. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1. No score. Welcome back. Start of the 4th. So here's Brown at the plate. Ward back to work. Swing and a ball popped up. Dunks one into left.
Now batting,
Mike Ford at the plate. He popped out his first time. Right side. Fires to second for 1. Back to first, double play. 3-6-3, nicely done.
For me, that's one of the toughest double plays to turn on the infield. The first baseman has to get inside, create a throwing lane to hit that middle infielder to start the double play.
So 1 out with 2 aboard. Next is the DH, a switch hitter, Catfish Brown. First pitch just misses.
One ball. No strike.
And that's too high.
Good spot for the hitter. Definitely has the advantage in this count with runners on. Look for him to be aggressive on this next pitch.
1 out. Runners at first and second. Swing and a miss. And it's 2-1.
Well, the hitter shows the pitcher that he's willing to go after that pitch down in the zone. So perhaps he'll come back to it. Still try to get that ground ball double play.
The 2-2 on the way. And now the count filled up 3-2. Foul. We'll see another payoff pitch. Kicks and deals. Got him. Down on strikes, and he knew it.
Frustrating end to the at bat for the hitter, and I'm sure that's going to sit on him.
And now the DH, Catfish Brown.
Catfish Brown.
And the first pitch misses for ball 1.
1-0.
Come on, big guy. Get your pitch right here.
Right-handed reliever. There's a strike. Runner at second here, 1 gone. Swing and a miss. And it's 1-2.
Fooled on that pitch, got a little anxious, and now in a 2-strike count, he's going to have to widen out his stance, choke up on the bat, and really make sure he has pitch recognition before pulling the trigger.
Drops into the glove. Runner tags up for third.
Was able to move the runner up to third on that deep fly to center, but I think this point he wants to get him over and get him in. Whether you're a season ticket holder or you just come to a couple of games a year, to see your team win at home, there's just something special about that. Good job by these guys to get it done for the hometown fans.
And a 7-1 finish. And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. The show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking bottom of the first. Stepping in, Oslevis Basabe.
The shortstop, Oslevis.
And he deals. There's the strike.
Plays at 1 now.
Foul ball.
Hey, nobody out now.
And a pitch. Fouls that off to the left, and we'll do it again. Righty delivers. Next offering misses down and away. And down on strikes he goes. 1 gone, bottom half of the first. And now it's going to be Darren Baker. Popped up. Placencia under it. And puts the squeeze on that. That's out number 2. 2 outs, base is empty. Digging in is the switch hitting outfielder, Carlos Diaz. That misses off the outside edge.
Hey, come on now. Here we go.
And a good eye there.
2 down now.
Clips the corner, strike 1. The wind of the pitch. And a foul ball. Two outs. Next offering is outside. Spoils a 2-strike pitch, and he'll see another. And it's ball 4. He missed down low.
One of the things about that 2-out walk, the base runner over at first base is going to have a very aggressive secondary lead. So a ball down the line or into the gap will produce a 2-out RBI, and those are the best. That is, if you are the offensive side of it.
Left-hand batter waits. And strike 2. Caught him looking for the K. First frame of the night behind us, and it's 0-0. Back here at the ballpark, here's the catcher, number 69.
The catcher, Steven.
Brown back to work. Strike 1.
No ball. 1 strike. No one out now.
That's in there. No balls, 2 strikes. On the ground, right side. And that's just foul. Cuts on it and misses. That's a strikeout. Nasty fork ball for strike 3. Here's Chavis now. Swing and a pop-up. Foul at a play off to the right side. That'll find the stands. 0-0 here in the bottom of the second. On the ground, right side. Placencia throws to first. Already 2 out here in the home half of inning number 2. Here's the third baseman, Brady House. Pitch misses there, and it's 1-0.
1 ball, no strike.
Down now. Here we go.
That's a little bit low.
He's been raking in recent games, and a big reason why, getting ahead in counts. He's been able to do that consistently, and you see the results.
That's in there, and that's strike 1. And that one lifted in the air center field, and it falls. And that extends the inning.
Well, that was one of those high percentage advantage counts where batting averages are just so much higher. When you flare a ball out behind second base, it's really a tough spot for anyone to get to, and you're never trying to do that as a hitter, but when you do, I tell you what, you're yelling at it the entire way to get down.
Plays at 1 now.
There's a strike.
And at bat like this is almost over as it begins. In this situation, you have no idea what the next pitch is going to be. You just got to hope that you can make contact.
Hey, 2-way. 2-way.
Stays alive.
Man, he'd like to have that pitch back.
Righty to the plate. Cuts and misses. It's a strikeout. So 1 hit is all they get. We plate 2 full. We're tied 0-0. And welcome back. And here is Andrew McCutchen.
The right fielder, Andrew.
The line to kick the pitch.
McCutchen.
Swing and a ball lifted left field. Kemp settles underneath it. Hauls it in for the out. So the lineup flips over, and stepping in is the speedy Oslevis Basabe. His first at bat was a strikeout. And it's fouled away. Basabe hitting leadoff in today's game, and he was born in Venezuela. That one finds the zone. That is strike 2.
We got 1. Hey, plays it first. Plays
The
it first.
pitch. Line drive. Jones snags it for the second out. Now the number 2 hitter, Darren Baker. 0 for 1 with a flyout. And takes low for ball 1.
Well, this is the type of hitter you want up in this situation. Some sluggers coming up behind him. He's so good at moving runners, but also getting on base. See if he can be patient here.
No strike.
2-0 to count. Here it comes. And there's a curve through for a strike.
Man, this guy's got a great feel for his breaking ball today.
That misses. 3-1. The wind and the pitch. That one's in there. Counts full. 3-2.
3 balls. 2 strikes.
Lifted in the air down the left side. Lays out and makes the play.
Just a beautiful play. Where's the cape? In the air like Superman. Diving catch, and he ends the inning.
Welcome back. Here's the left fielder, Carlos Diaz.
The left fielder, Carlos.
Brown back to work. Swings and lines a base hit into left field. Man aboard on the leadoff single.
Everything came together for him. Nice job of driving that pitch the other way on a line. You know, hitters, they take so many reps in the cages working on going to the opposite field, and it doesn't always translate into the game, but right there it did, and he did it perfectly.
He's going.
Runner on the go. And that one wrapped foul. Diaz aboard here at first with nobody out. The 1-1 is fouled off.
With 2 strikes, may see some movement over there at first base, try to stay out of a double play here.
That misses the zone. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Got him swinging. And 1 out now. Now the catcher up to hit, number 69. 0 for 1. He struck out swinging last time. And the first pitch misses for ball 1. That's inside. That one catches the zone. And it's 2-1.
Well, he went inside a couple of times, and now outside. Hitter's not exactly sure where to look for this next pitch.
And here it comes. Foul ball left side. He'll see another. The 2-2 now. That's foul off to the right side. Keeps the AB going. 2-2. Out to center. He's got it. And there's 2 down. And it's Michael Chavis at the plate. Grounded out his first time up. Here's the pitch. Runner on the go. That's in for a strike. Throw. Save.
You know, nights like this when it seems harder to score, I like the call to put him in motion and try to steal the base. Ball's not carrying, no home runs so far, so trying to manufacture some offense like this may be the way to go.
Runner leads away at second. That one is absolutely belted. Kemp going back some more, and he brings it in on the warning track. Through 4, we head to the bottom of the 5th. And the batter now, Brady House. The right-hander back to work. And first offering is fouled off. That clips a corner.
No ball. 2 strikes.
And a foul ball. He stays alive. Hammered on the line, base hit.
I'd say a mistake pitch in an 0-2 count. Too good of a pitch to hit right there. You have to expand the zone. Keep that leadoff man off first base.
No outs. Runner at first. Elijah Green now at the plate. He's 0 for 1. And the 0-1. Hard hit, base hit. Lead runner holds up. They're at first and second with nobody out.
Back-to-back singles. Pretty much a model swing on that one as he ripped it into the opposite field gap. And I'm sure he's going to be watching that one back on video because that's the kind of swing you want to bottle. So many positives that led to that knock.
Swing, and this one's blasted. It's got a chance. Hauls it in on the warning track. Runner tags at second, and he moves up 90 feet. Runners at the corners now. 1 away. So up next, Oslevis Basabe.
The shortstop.
Well, all eyes on the double play ball in this spot. No better way to get out of this inning.
Gets the call. It's 0-1.
I think ultimately you want to tie him up, get the ball in on the plate so that he can't get the barrel.
High fly ball out into left center field. Lockridge puts it away for the out. And there's 2 down.
Yeah, that was a wasted RBI opportunity, but competitor like him, he is looking forward to making up for it in his next at bat.
Next to hit, Darren Baker.
And remember, he was absolutely robbed of a base hit last time up.
Runners on first and third, 2 away. And that one fouled off.
Pretty good pitch to take a pass at in a 1-0 count. Just not able to square it up.
That one the other way. Base hit into the outfield. The tying run is in to score from third. We're tied at 1.
Well, here we are, third time through the order, and this is where we see the OPS jump up. Manager might have to go to the bullpen a little bit sooner than he anticipated.
Now, Carlos Diaz. Ball 1, no strikes. Popped up to the left into foul ground. Hardman puts the squeeze on that one, and that'll end the inning. They get a run on 3 hits, no errors, and 2 men left. Well, we go bottom 6, and here's the first baseman, number 44. Brown back to work. First pitch swinging.
You know, this group of hitters digging into their numbers have to be happy with the swings they're taking. They've hit 7 line drives already, and even though some of them have been for outs, there's nothing wrong with delivering consistent hard contact. That's almost always going to lead to positive results.
That just misses, and it's 1-2. Next offering is downstairs.
It's a good take.
Out to short. Save!
No, that's a really tough play no matter who you are, but I think he has a chance to get him at first if he's just able to get that throw off a little quicker. It looked like he took 1 extra step to set himself and get a grip on the ball.
And now, number 69 misses off the plate, and that's ball 1. There's a strike. In there at the knees. 1-2. Nobody out. Runner at first. Knocks that one away, and we'll do it again.
Definitely got the hitter conscious of the pitch inside. Really think the outer half is open.
Misses. 2 balls, 2 strikes. And that's a little bit high.
On this count, runner not known for his speed, but I think you got to put him in motion. Try to avoid a double play here, Boot.
Fights it off. He'll see another. 8th pitch of the at-bat coming up. him. And that's the first out. Here comes the man. New pitcher now, number 76.
And he's coming in to pitch on 4 days rest right here. And that might not be a factor at all in terms of being rusty, but well, this is a big win on the road and going extras into 10. So hard to pull those out, but I think this team did a great job of keeping the crowd out of the ball game late. When you can do that, it kind of calms everything down, keeps